Testing the electrical components, interactive training project. Nowadays, working on board a modern ship as marine engineer involves routine as well as endless troubleshooting tasks with various electrical installations such as power plant, power network and distribution, switch gears and controls. These issues supplement the already great number of duties for those working on board without an electrical engineer. The number of troubleshooting tasks related to electrical installations that an engineer can run into after boarding the ship is often underestimated. This is because it depends on the ship's age, general technical condition of the ship's installations, former crew performance, etc. And to try and determine this before joining the ship would require some information, facilitated by a technical inspection, for which the engineer, until they have signed on, has no authorization to do. Electrical problems cannot be predicted and can appear after weeks and even months on board. Therefore, one's next ship quite often becomes the challenge of encountering never-before-experienced electrical tasks to perform and problems to troubleshoot. This situation can add to the complications of life on board. Troubleshooting tasks cannot be avoided, and when they present themselves, there are methodologies that one can follow to help uncover the problem. These approaches involve electrical measurements performed on both disconnected and live circuits. It is therefore assumed that knowing these approaches to the troubleshooting procedures for testing various electrical components can help them become second nature to you when you are attempting to determine the cause of the problems you will invariably encounter. The objective of this interactive training book, published by Captain Andrew J. Ray, Marine Educational Services in cooperation with Troubleshooting Ship Automation Training Project, is to help you in developing such a habit long before problems occur and work out safe practices, which can be used on board in your daily routine, as well as for troubleshooting tasks. Suggested training materials can be used either as a separate training or as an interactive tool in conjunction with the following publications: Motor Starters and Controls for Marine Gears, Interactive Training, copyright 2015. By Witherby, Practical Marine Electrical Knowledge. 4th edition, copyright 2019 by Witherby, Ship Automation for Marine Engineers and ETOs. 2nd edition, copyright 2021 by Witherby. This training package will be appropriate for management level marine engineers, operational level marine engineers, electricians with a lack of experience, engineers, cadets and apprentices, electrical engineers, cadets and apprentices, anyone who is starting to work with switch gears and industrial electrical applications. You may find publisher's site URL at the end of this presentation.